This question is from GATE 2015, Mechanical Engineering paper, set to question number 21. The primary mechanism of material removal in electrochemical machining, ECM, is option A, chemical corrosion, option B, etching, option C, ionic dissolution, and option D, spark erosion. Now, in electrochemical machining, that is ECM, the workpiece and tool both are immersed in a electrolyte solution, and typically the electrolyte solution that is used is NaCl. This electrolyte solution is nothing but the iron dissolution, because we know that when electrolyte solution is used for machining, ions inside the electrolyte that are formed will enable the flow of current. In this system, the tool acts as the cathode end while the workpiece acts as the anodic end, the anode terminal. Hence, we have our answer. In case of electrochemical machining, the electrolyte solution is used. Electrolyte solution is nothing but the iron dissolution. Let's mark the correct option. Primary mechanism of material removal in electrochemical machining is ionic dissolution. The first and second options, that is chemical corrosion and etching, use photochemical process, or they are also called as photochemical machinings, and spark erosion is the method used for electrical discharge machining, or EDM. Electrical discharge machining, EDM. So the only option that matches with electrochemical machining is option C, ionic dissolution. To learn more about electrochemical machining, you can refer to the NPTEL video, Lecture 38, Electrochemical Machining, lecture series on manufacturing processes 2 by Professor A. B. Chattopadhyay, Professor A. K. Chattopadhyay, and Professor S. Paul. They are from Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Kharagpur. I hope this explanation will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.